Hey, Dragonmonk here again with another Loot Crate video. This month we have Loot Crate Villains. The box is a lot thinner than it usually is, but I don't know, maybe it's comic book size? Just a guess. Let's get to it. Oop, we got a shirt right off the bat. This looks like a mishmash of Joker and Loki. Pretty cool. Jokey? I like Jokey. I get it. Whoa, there's all kinds of drawings. Looks like Joker doodle all over the box. Pretty cool. It looks like a Deadpool sock. No, maybe scarf? Scarf or socks? I'm not sure. I can't see the end of it. I'm guessing socks. So it looks like a roll of a poster. It just says a DC Comics logo on it. Let's go ahead and look at this one. Ooh. Yeah, it's Harley and Joker. Pretty cool. And we got a keychain. Darth Vader keychain. Oh, Darth Vader stuff's always cool. Necessary Evil Supervillains of DC. This is the DVD? Yes, this is the DVD. This was like a documentary type movie, I think. Ooh, that's pretty cool. It's a Bowser magnet. That's actually awesome. It's my favorite thing so far. We got another book. This month, ooh, we have games. And like I thought, comic book. We have Rocket Raccoon with Thanos on the cover. And Rocket is holding a Loot Crate. So this is a Loot Crate exclusive comic. Variant edition. All new Marvel now. Awesome. And of course we got the button. Vader, Deadpool, Harley. And there's more doodles on the bottom. Joker, Batman. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, that's pretty cool. The boxes. Pretty awesome this time. Comic. It looked like usual DVD movie. Bowser magnet. Darth Vader keychain. We have the Joker Harley poster. Deadpool socks. And the t-shirt. Yeah. And pretty nice bundle. Really like the magnet. Pull up Bowser. No food item this time. That's okay. Alrighty. I will see you next month with another Loot Crate.